shaped cardboard and we need some leaf and stapler. Now take the leaf and staple on the cardboard like this. Now we will make flower from the leaves. Take 7 leaves, arrange it, and at the end we will take stitch with needle and thread in the center. Now flower is ready. We'll stick it with sellotape in the center. At the center you can stick any real flower whichever you like. As I have taken pink flower in this. Take another 2 leaves, fold it and give a stitch at the center. Now we will attach it at the corner of this leaf. You can also use white, yellow, orange, pink, red flowers with this. Now we will make door hanging with leaves. Take 5 leaves and make hanging like this. At the center, take stitches with needle and thread. Now take the ribbon like this and insert all the hangings one by one.